Hello everyone and welcome to the new episode. This is the first one in the series. The idea is that I will go to Oulu, from Helsinki to Oulu, which will be 900 kilometers, but let's see, I will make it maybe shorter if I need to return back earlier. Let's see, but the initial plan is like this. And the first part of the route I'm cycling with Irina, and probably Evgeny will join us today also for camping during the first night. But yeah, packing was a little bit difficult, a lot of things. So let's see what I'm missing, but at least the benefit now is that Evgeny can bring something what I'm missing today in the evening. So he will come by car to the first camping point. But yeah, otherwise the weather is quite good and we have already cycled like 40 kilometers, so out of the city. And best parts of the route starting now. During the first day we covered a total of 95 kilometers and moving time was around 4 hours 50 minutes. Of course the total time was around 8 hours, still not too bad considering the stops, filming and snack breaks. And here is a small tip if you are new to bikepacking. It's easy to pack your bags in a nice clean garage or home, but repacking everything after a night in a tent, especially if it is raining, that's a whole different story. Luckily for me it was dry this time, but even then it's worth leaving some spare space in your bags. So take it into account when you plan your bikepacking trip. The ride during the first day was really enjoyable. We passed some classic Finnish scenery, lakes, pine forests, rolling fields and some peaceful country roads with barely any traffic. These are the kinds of places that make you feel like you are really out there, even though the city isn't that far behind.
Chasing Vasily.
Have you done any bikepacking yourself? Where did you go and did your bags explode halfway like mine almost did on day 2? Let me know in the comments. We will come of course to the day 2 and you will see, but I managed to pack it back, but still I would be interested what was your experience. Let me know in the comments, and I'm always looking also for route ideas or some gear tips, so share those and it would be really interesting to know. We ended the day somewhere past Mäntsälä, tucked away in the forest for the night, set up the camp, cook a bit of food and listen to the wind rustling through the trees. Simple life, just you, the tent and a well-earned rest after the whole day of cycling. And that wraps up the day 1 of my trip. But trust me, day 2 is something special. I will ride along an incredibly scenic road surrounded by lakes, go through peaceful backroads and cycle through blooming sunflower fields. I found probably the best camping spot of the whole trip. So I hope you enjoyed the first part of this journey and don't miss the next episode. Subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a like and let me know in the comments if you ever had a bikepacking day where everything just clicked. See you in part 2.